Okay, sorry for the interruption. Okay, so now we're talking about E group of vowels. Okay, how you can use the name to know if you're writing your name, how you know whether it belongs to the E group or A group of vowels. Okay, now E group of vowels, we already finished A group. So E group of vowels, for example, uche, o, u, not o, u, she, e, uche. In English, you spell it U-C-H-E, but in Igbo, uche, uche. Now, the tip off there is the E. There's no A there. Now, the irregular one, when you see the combination writing the names, two names together, even though it's one name. Now you will see a vowel from A group and a vowel from E group, which is like uche, na. Uche, nna. You see that? Uche, nna. These are two things, two words, but they are combined in the name to be one word. So this is the irregular one you see, but ordinarily you are not supposed to see it in a content. But in the name, it is how it's supposed to be. Now, another name on the E group is Obi, O B E, Obi, O B E, Obi. Another one on the in the A group of vowel. Let's say, for example, maybe you come up with one. A K A. In the English way is A K A, but Igbo way of spelling is A K A, Aka, which is hand. A K A, Aka. That's your hand. A K A, Aka. Okay, so that's how you see it, and that's A group. But then the E group, now we have another name, Uche, Chi, Uche, Chi, Uche, Echi. If you're writing it, you're going to have U-C-H-E, another E-C-H-I. But listen, when you have double letters in the middle of a word, one cancels the other one. You only leave one. Don't write two of them. Unless if you're going to put a hyphen to break it. But it's supposed to be Uchechi. You're not going to have two E's in the middle. You cancel one. That is the way it goes, okay? But we're going to get there. Uchechi belongs to the E group of vowels because we have no A there. And the I there is supposed to have one dot, not double dot. But as soon as we go on, you will get it very well. Okay. Now, some other irregular Igbo way, like A and E vowels coming together in a name. We have like Uchenna, we have Neka, we have Norma. You see E and A there. So when I forward the note, the class note, you will see those things. Chuku and Mecca. So I highlighted A and E in each of these names for you to know. So when you get it, please go over. This is what we did today in the class. Now I'm gonna go over. Let me review head to toe again. Head, your head is easy, easy. Your hair is ntutu, ntutu. Your forehead is egedege ihu. Let me break it in syllables. Ege, dege, ihu, ege, dege, ihu, ege, dege, ihu, egedege, ihu, just your forehead alone. Your whole face is what? Ihu, ihu. Now your eyebrows. Can somebody tell me what it is? You were in the class, so you should be able to know that. Iku anya. Iku anya. Iku anya. Your eyelashes. Mpupe. 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 Anya. Your eyes. Anya. If you pay attention, before I did the eyes. So all these things, they are all associated with your eyes. Your iku anya, mpupe anya. You see how it goes? So associated with that. Your face, your forehead is associated. Okay. Egedege, ihu. Okay. So pay attention how all these things are connected. Now, your ears. I need you to pay close attention to this one because your ears and your cheeks, they have the same spelling, but they have different pronunciation sounds. You need to pay attention. Ears. Nte. Nte is N-T-I in English, but in Igbo way of spelling is N-T-E. Nte. N-T-E. Nte. Some people say N-T-E. Nte. N-T-E. Nte. The same spelling with your cheeks. Nti. Now, nte. You go flat. Nte. Up. Nte. Up. Your cheeks. Nti. Down. Nti. Down. Nte. Nti. So this is down. This is up. So put the tone marks. You put your tone mark the way it sounded. Te, flat and up. It's just slightly up, climbing up. Te. Then your cheeks. T. So put the tone mark. It's going to help you. Any way it sounded to you, just put it that way. Now the nose. Imi. 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 Now coming back to my ears. I have earrings. Your earrings. Olante. Ola nte, your earrings. Some people call it mba nte. Mba nte. But the central Igbo is ola nte. Ola nte. Now, your lips. Egbuboro ono. Egbuboro ono. Egbuboro ono. In syllables, break it before you call it together. Egbuboro ono. You see? Ono. Now let me first of all say ono so that when I pronounce all of them, you see how they are connected. They are associated. Okay? Ono. Just the opening in your mouth is ono. Now your lips. Egbuboro. Ono. Okay? Your tongue. Your tongue is ire. 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 Your teeth. Eze. Eze. Now we have another word. You can pronounce that way. Eze means your teeth. The same spelling but different pronunciation. Eze means king. Eze means king. Eze, teeth. Eze. Eze is flat. Eze, your teeth. Eze, up. Eze, up. Eze, king. Pay attention to the sounds, okay? All right? So now, going down. We did the teeth, which is Eze. Now, we're going to do your shin. Aba. 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 Okay. So, I think we covered the head area. Your neck, akbere, the whole neck is akbere. Your back is azo, azo. Now, there's another word, the same spelling, but different pronunciation. A-Z-O, azo, A-Z-O, azo. Now, azo. Azo, the same spelling but different pronunciation. Azo means fish. Azo, fish. Azo, it goes down. Azo, your back. Azo, your back. Okay? Azo, fish. Know that. They're the same spelling but they have different pronunciations, different sounds. Okay? Okay. Now, your chest area. Your chest is your what? Obi. The whole of the chest area is obi. Your heart, your own heart, is mkpuru obi. Anything that is round, like gravel, stones, it's called mkpuru. You start with mkpuru because it's round. Mkpuru, anything that is like a knot, is mkpuru. Mkpuru. Now your heart, because it's You know, one unit is together like this. It's called, even though it's not a perfect round shape, okay? But just because it's like that, it's mkporo. Anything like that is mkporo ake, mkporo nka. So mkporo oji, if you see Igbo kola nut, it's mkporo oji. All right? So mkporo obi is your heart. Mkporo obi, your heart. Your chest is what? Obi. Now, your shoulders. Ubu aka. Ubu aka. This is your aka. Aka. Ubu aka. Ubu aka. Now, we have fingers. Mkpese aka. Mkpese aka. Mkpese aka. We have elbow. Ikiri aka. Ikiri aka. Ikiri aka. I want you to repeat after me. Ikiri aka. Ikiri aka. Mkpịsị aka. Mkpịsị aka. Your fingers. Now, your palm. Ọba aka. Ọba aka. Ọba aka. The back of your hand. See? Azụ. Anything back is azụ. Azụ aka. Azụ aka. Okay? Now, we're going to go down. Your breast is ara. Ara. Ara is your breast. Okay? Then coming to your stomach area. Afọ. Afọ. Your legs are ụkwụ. Ụkwụ. Your toes are mkpịsị ụkwụ. Mkpịsị ụkwụ. Mkpịsị ụkwụ. Your thighs. Your thighs are called mpata. Mpata. Ọrụ. Mpata. Ọrụ. Your butt is called ike. Ike. Your butt is ike. Ike. Okay. Now, you know all we did today. We did head to toe, greetings, respect, Igbo culture, how to, all these things, manners. Please make sure you go over. All right? I just made this video to help you. Go over the class notes. And then next week, we have another class. Cardio. Que mesiano.